Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Thumb Talkers. My name is Jared. In today's video, I'm going over 5 things that I do every time I stream and that I don't see a lot of other streamers doing. And also, at the end of this video, I got a little treat for you guys. I recently did the little Nitro Hottest Gummy Bear in the World challenge, so stick around as I make an ass out of myself. As always, I thank you guys for stopping by. If you could, in the comments down below, I want to hear how long you've been streaming and what your best or favorite moments are so far. All right, tip number 1. This is something that I just felt like I needed to do, and I don't see, or I've never gotten that kind of reaction from another streamer, but after I stream live, I go through my comments and I look for questions or new commenters or anything like that, so I can send a personal message to people apologizing for missing their comment and then answering their question. I also do this with new star donations or large star donators on Facebook Gaming. It's not that difficult to seek people out now when they do a star donation, because in the comments, when you click on comments, it'll give you a breakdown of most recent, newest, stars, most relevant. Click on the stars, it gives you all the stars comments that you got. Look for new star donators, thank them. Anybody that's donated any kind of amount, you should be thanking everybody, and I try to every week. All right, tip number 2, something that I do after every live stream. You can test me on this. If I ever go live, check my video 2 hours after I'm done being live. You will see it trimmed and ready to go, because I don't think it's fair to let new people coming across your content sit through an intro. It's boring, pointless content to anybody watching a VOD. Get rid of it. It's simple as going into your creator studio, clicking on your video. It'll have 3 little dots to the right of your video list. So content, video, 3 dots. Click on it, edit, video. This is something I've done in the beginning and I continue to do today. I ask for help or I ask questions whenever I don't understand something. Too many streamers are afraid to ask questions. If you guys ever have a question, ask in the comments, send me a message. I will get back to you and try to do my best to answer it the best way I possibly can. Every streamer I've ever met feels this way. We all try to help each other out as best we can. Yes, I'm sure there's some bad apples out there. In general, everybody wants to help everybody out. So don't feel like you can't ask a bigger, smaller, anybody for help, because it's only going to help you if you get the answers that you want. So don't be shy. All right, this tip is pretty standard when I'm live. Almost every stream, I raid streamers. Now, I will raid people I know. I will raid new people too. Do not be afraid to raid somebody smaller, bigger, whatever size it is. The cool thing about raiding is it's a back and forth deal. If you bring new viewership to a new streamer, you're helping them out, but you're also putting your name out there too when you raid somebody, and if they acknowledge you, then your name gets put in people's heads. So it's a growing tactic and a networking thing that's completely fair for both sides. I love being raided, and I love raiding other streamers, whether they're big or small. You should be doing it too. Even if you have 1 viewer with you, go raid somebody. Hashtag your stream name, say hello. Okay, and as usual, I always save the biggest, most important tip for the end of the videos, because only the diehards that take this seriously are gonna see this very important tip. You have to learn how to self-evaluate your stream, your camera, everything about your stream. You have to look at it from an outside perspective and decide if it's good content. Once you learn how to do this, you will have so many more consistent, better streams. It's something that you absolutely have to do. I have never met a good streamer that doesn't do this. I've never met a successful streamer that doesn't go through their content and decide if it's good or bad. If you want to stand out from the rest, learn what's holding you back. Learn where you can improve. I guarantee you can find some on every video that you do that you can improve on to the next one. And that's all I'm saying to do. Start with something small, and on the next video, improve on that one small step. And then you take that latest video, you find something that you can improve on again, and you keep going and you keep going. I do discourage people from doing a complete revamp every time they stream because they feel like it didn't work. You can have bad nights. I have bad nights all the time, and I have great nights all the time. And a lot of times I don't change out complete overlays because that doesn't really matter. And generally, as long as your camera looks all right and your audio is a big one. Your audio's got to sound good. If those 2 things are in decent enough order, you don't have to have all this flash and flare. You can get by with something pretty... You can get by with a simple setup and still do a lot of damage out there. So just improve, micro improvements as you go along, stepping along until you start finding that success that's out there. As always, if you're liking the content, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel. It makes a huge difference, and then you can keep up with my weekly content on making us all better streamers. Now, if you guys want to see a little glimpse of my live stream, without further ado, I hope you enjoy the little Nitro Gummy Bear challenge that I did live, and then my stream crashed. So luckily I hit the record button and saved my ass. There's a little secret tip for y'all. If you do something big like this, record on OBS directly, so if your stream screws up, you still have proof that you did it. All right, here we go.
Don't.
One. Fire!
Oh my God, there he goes. What are your initial thoughts just chewing that thing? How's the taste?
Hot.
It's hot? Mm-hmm. It's hot? It's feeling real hot?
Oh my God. Yeah, look at him. Look
All right.
at him.
All right.
Ooh, I
Fuck
make
it.
beef jerky in my backyard.
I'm still chewing a fucking
I
it's
make
harder
beef
to rock.
jerky.
All right. Let's get some comments going. If you guys had any questions for Jared, now's the time. You know, ask him anything. He's probably open and honest right now.
Oh, God.
Okay. Oh hell. Oh hell. Oh. That is my. Oh.
Talk to us, man.
Jared, I don't know how to tell you this right now, but I think the stream went down.
I think it did too.
It crashed.
Come on.
It crashed.
No, it's still going. Come on.
No, it crashed. It's
It
off.
totally crashed.
It's off right now.
Why? I have my reference. I can still see it.
Yeah, everybody says, did the screen crash? I can't watch it.
Yep, it happened for me too.
Now it says there's one person on.
What the fuck?
Now it's showing you again. I
Have
think
you
we're
seen it?
back on now. Anybody commenting on here? Jared's dying. I don't have any live comments coming. Oh, now it shows we're back on. Let's see if anybody jumps back in here.
Yeah, I'm getting messages.
Are you?
Jesus Christ. Yeah, Jeff just messaged me.
Come on, really?
It says I'm the only person watching it right now. Did you buy a second?
We gotta get another one.
How do I even get it to? How do I get it to reconnect?
I don't know.
You gotta use your mind now. Oh my
The fucking
God.
stream crashed. What the fuck, guys?
Try reloading Facebook. I have no idea.
I'm watching, but I have no idea how. What the hell is going on?
How are you watching?
Hold on.
You guys, I can't fucking function right now anyway. Like,
I feel so terrible right now.
No.
What are we getting now? Bryn says I can still see it. Okay, maybe we're back up then.
Maybe we're back on.
Okay.
I'm not seeing any of the chat, guys. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're not seeing any chat or anything here, guys. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's totally broken. I
It
can't
still
comment on
says
the
it's
video.
live and playing, but I'm not seeing any comments or anything. I'm so sorry. Everybody's saying they could see
not
the
even-
entire time, guys.
So I think what we're concluding here tonight, the people who are watching, I think Jared's gonna have to eat this again.
Yeah, so yeah, apparently the chat's going, guys, but we can't see anything at all.
Mm-mm.
We're seeing no comments on the stream. We're seeing nothing. Well, that's
Scott
a
says you can see it.
Is
I can
anybody
see it,
able
but
to
the stream,
comment?
The chat is dead. Sky Garso just said it's dead. The chat is dead. Then Scott also says this is fucking gold. Oh my God. Look at him. Look at Jared.
I mean, I suppose everybody could just go over to Jared's house.
I might puke.
Uh-oh.
Well, be sure to save this. I mean,
Yeah. I mean, we could
yeah,
just
Alex
watch
Tim just
Jared
messaged
do it.
me. Yeah, stream is gone. It's not even showing up on his main page. Oh, this is horrible.
Yeah, when it said 9 million, I got a little concerned, but
And it said 300 times hard, 900 times hotter than the
I was
jalapeno.
really excited to laugh about this with everyone, you know?
Oh, I know. I don't want to laugh. Well, are you in? No, yeah, man. Facebook. It's amazing. It took a shit the minute he ate the fucking gummy bear.
I smell
Look
a
at him.
conspiracy.
He's fucking. Yeah, I do too.
Are you
I can
diped
also
up?
smell Jared shitting his pants.
Yeah, I was going to say, man on it.
It's so fucking bad.
Oh, man.
He's getting waved too.
Like I said, that mid-30s colon, that's not the Michael Jordan of colons, you know? Like,
Poor bastard.
yeah. Guys are retiring from pro football already, and you're eating 9 million Scovilles. That's not... You're not in that form, man. Those days are behind you.
Oh, my God.
We got to find a way to turn this
This is
chat.
a young man's game.
Anybody still using Yahoo chat or anything?
Yeah.
We got a page open. We can start chit-chatting.
Still nothing on your end?
No, I can't see anything yet.
I might throw up.
That's okay. Go for it, man.
Jared's saying he might throw up.
We support you.
Yeah, if you got to throw up, man.
Yeah, I can run
I'm
to
okay with
Walgreens
it.
to get you some Pepto.
Are we still dead?
Nah, don't do that, Adam.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
People are
so.
still
We're
watching,
dead.
though. I just keep going. All these people on your stream are here supporting you.
Seems to be the people who stayed on. You can't get on anymore.
Yeah. We're here through thick and thin, although for the next 24 to 36 hours, I'm thinking incredibly thin.
Mm.
Watery.
Oh my God, this thing is driving me nuts.
Why did it crash?
It's like a new pair of
It was like
underwear.
the second you ate
No.
it, too.
At first, it's
You're just
constricted.
too hot for TV.
Is there
man.
any way to
after a
watch it?
while,
Because
it
my
becomes a
phone
part of
reference
you.
says it's still on.
Hey, Morgan. I now see an alert that my pal Morgan. Like,
Yeah, when I try to click on the link that was shared, I shared it
Morgan, you're
out.
the
It goes right
best.
to a different video. There's no way I can get on it.
I can't believe that just happened. I hit the record button to at least capture some of this. My stomach hurts so fucking bad right now.
Oh man.
So if you had to go back in time 8.5 minutes.
Would you?
Yeah. Would you do it again?
No.
You would never make that choice again?
Oh, dude, I feel like I'm gonna hurl.
Do what you got to do, man.
Yeah, I mean, if you die, the kids at least get something, you know? The minute he ate it,
Literally.
that was crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. If this were OnlyFans, you would be broke.
Harry says he can't find the stream. It just went away. Marissa's having some same problem. Yeah.
I don't know what that fucker's doing in my guts, but holy shit.
Hope it's still recording. All right.
Yeah, Scott was saying it's still rolling.
Yeah, and see, and I just had Barry just message me, says he can't find it, nor Marissa. Alex says he can't find it. It seems like it kept some people on.
But why?
Is anybody doing the damage control? Are you reaching out to people?
Yeah.
Is it working? Like we're not on yet?
No, like it seems like some people can get on, but for the most part, it seems like a lot of people can't. Barry, Marissa can't. I don't know if he's can hear me or not. And I know
Somebody said it looks like most videos on Facebook are messed
I'm gonna
up right
end
now.
and try to reboot.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Somebody.
Oh, you know what? Alex had a point. He says he thinks your intro got you blocked.
Somebody else said though that most Facebook videos are jacked up right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it could have been my intro, but it was a fucking dumb cover YouTube video. But all right.
Yeah, somebody said looks like most videos on Facebook are messed up right now.
Perfect.
God, what shit timing.
I mean, does it hurt to try rebooting at this point?
Okay, I'm gonna try to reboot.